Charles Osborne holds the world record for the longest hiccup spree, an astonishing feat that lasted 68 years. Beginning in 1922 and finally subsiding in 1990, Osborne's continuous hiccuping became a source of both laughter and disbelief. Many find it hard to fathom that someone could hiccup non-stop for almost 7 decades, but Osborne's story is proof of this unusual reality. The topic of hiccups is inherently amusing, and this record adds a whimsical touch to the subject, leaving people both intrigued and entertained by the sheer length and persistence of this hiccup marathon.